This nice and portable wallet made from a printer paper can hold cash, change, and credit cards, membership cards, and gift cards. Those things can easily fit in the super easy wallet. For this video, I'm using printer paper. The dimensions are 8.5 by 11 inches. To start the project, I'm folding the top of the page to the bottom. Make sure that the edges match and the crease is sharp. You need that for a good wallet. After that fold, take one of the bottom flaps and fold them like almost halfway through our project and crease sharply. Then take the other one and fold it so that the distance between each of them is about ½ inch. Now take this edge and fold it up so that the length of it is equal to the first crease of your pinky. Unfold and make this tiny little fold. It's a triangle. And then fold it back. And then unfold the flap you just made and unfold the big flap. And then fold the flap and reverse the crease on the big flap. Now fold the big flap up again. And now you have to take the big flap and put it over the small flap. So just open the small flap and open the big flap and make a tiny triangle in the big flap. Do not worry about the triangle. It always happens. And fold the tiny edge again. Now you have to do the same thing on the other side. It should be the length of your pinky. Now it's my length. Now it's the length of my pinky. Unfold and make the tiny triangle mark. And fold it back again. Unfold that, unfold the big, and try not to mess up the other fold. If it's okay if you do. Do the same thing. Open this, make the triangle. The triangles are sometimes very hard. And just fold it over. Now the other side is messed up, as I told you. Now just take the bottom flap and put it over the top. That's how you fix the other one. Now you're basically done. You just need to fold it in half and put your money in. So fold it in half first. Make sure that the edges are matching and the crease is sharp. Very sharp this time, so that it doesn't open. And then open it up, put your dollars in, put your cards in, change in, credit cards, membership cards, gift cards, any other cards, hotel keys. This was the DJ Paul. Thanks for viewing.